is lost, and all I need is room to grow. I'm coming home to put a flower in your hand. Thought you should know, ain't no place I'd rather be instead.
Today we're heading into the Stephen Foster State Park in Fargo, Georgia. This park is huge at over 400,000 acres. I wasn't quite sure what he was doing. We have slow traffic on the 177 today due to 3 deer crossing the road.
They do look bewildered.
And it's 25 miles from the nearest town with only 250 people. It's 65 miles to the nearest mid-sized town. There was actually a helipad there for evacuating to the nearest hospital. It gives you warm and fuzzies all around. Making food by mood lighting? Is that what we're doing?
Do you want your cheese on the burger? Or on
Yes.
The
Either way. You're cooking. I'm good. Morning. We're at Stephen S. Foster Campground State Park.
Stephen C.
Stephen C. Oh, great. I'm even getting that wrong.
Stephen C. Foster Campground.
Okay, see, listen to what he says. So we're going to check out the Okefenokee Swamp today. Just waiting for me to say go. Turkeys.
And a squirrel.
Got a really nice area. You can rent boats. A launching area. If you have your own. We're gonna take a trek on the Trembling Earth Nature Trail. Yeah.
We'll go to the dead end. Sorry. Right there.
Just chillaxing. Those are some seriously long beaks. A black one. Is this called a gaggle? Check them out. Oh, there's so many. I thought he was a log at first. He is not small. One lucky bird. He's just chilling there.
Do you just feel like there is no air left to breathe?
That's pretty tense.
There's a lot of trees here too. Nobody gets my sense of humor. Yeah.
You're just so tense. Why?
Because it might be cold.
Got us a snake sunning himself.
He is really like super still. Is that a bird's eye view?
Oh, here's a bird. Humans in their natural habitats. All lined up for a feeding frenzy. Real listening to Lori about cameras. It's driving me insane.
Getting ready to launch our kayaks. Check out what's in the swamp today. It's about as comfy as it's going to be right now. There you are.